Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, I along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on a jihad. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam caught up with me while I was riding my water camel, which had got exhausted and was almost unable to move. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, What is wrong with your camel? I submitted, It is diseased. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went behind, reprimanded the camel, and made an invocation for it. Then that camel overdistanced all other camels. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, How is your camel now? I submitted, It is well now. Your blessing has benefited him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Will you sell this camel? I felt hesitation as I had no camel other than it for fetching water. I submitted, Yes. I then sold that camel to him on this condition that it would remain my mount till Medina Munawwara. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu then says that he submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I newly got married, so I sought his permission to leave, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam accorded me the permission. I reached Medina Munawwara before all other people. My maternal uncle met me, and he asked me about the camel, and I told him what I had done regarding the camel. He whereupon rebuked me. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, when I sought the permission of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to return, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Have you married a maiden or a widow? I submitted, a widow. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Why did you not marry a maiden? You may sport with her, and she may play with you. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father has passed away, or said, my father has been martyred, and I have young sisters, so I dislike to marry a girl of their age, who would not be able either to teach them etiquette or take care of them. So I married a widow who could guard them and enlighten them about etiquette. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Medina Munawwara, I in the morning took the camel to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam paid me the price of the camel and returned the camel as well. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4076.